Hello everyone, today we have a review of the newest update for OnePlus 10 Pro, which is OxygenOS 14 based on Android 14. Finally, what we are waiting for is here. I got review on a previous version that was around 220, that's how it's called. Now it's 14.00300 IX01. I have Indian software, Indian firmware flashed here. Also, European global version is available. For China it's ColorOS called, and Indian version the phone will be named NE2211. So actually that's the latest update. Let's check out what Android 14 brought to us and actually whether it's worth to update. Alright, actually that's characteristics of my OnePlus 10 Pro. I've got 12 gigabytes and of RAM and 256 for storage, and here already for RAM there is RAM expansion available. From 4 to 12 gigabytes can be expanded, so in total you can get around 24 gigabytes of RAM, which is insane for this time. I keep 8 plus 12, so 20 gigabytes more than enough for me. And let's cover the settings here, what is new and what changed. So firstly, what I would like to show you is Android version, Android security update from December 5th, 2023, and version is 14. So let's firstly check Android version, which is Android 14. Let's click on it. Alright, so we have this space logo of Android, and currently we have Android 14, which is the latest version of Android available in general for all the Android devices. The security update from December 5th, 2023, which is also quite nice. It was 1 month ago, so it's now 2024 January, is fresh here. Let's cover what we've got in the settings. Wi-Fi, actually more settings. You have very similar Wi-Fi direct cloud tunes for Wi-Fi data. What's this one? It was not available before. Auto-upload Wi-Fi configuration data to the cloud, so you can view it and manage them from all your devices. It's a very simple feature. I don't know why it was not available before, but it's available now. Also, you have Wi-Fi assistance, and you can connect to the best Wi-Fi network. Auto switch to mobile network available as well in case the Wi-Fi networks are slow. Dual Wi-Fi acceleration, which allows you to connect to several Wi-Fis, for example 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, or to two 5 GHz Wi-Fis, and then it will be faster and work better. Okay, I'll disable Wi-Fi for now. And let's move on. Bluetooth, I don't think there are some changes in the settings, just display code extender, so it's very simple. Let's keep it. Connection and share, personal hotspot, VPN, NFC, private DNS, Android Auto was available before. Multi-screen connection was available from previous version. Actually, you can just use two nearby devices that are using OxygenOS 13.1 or later version, and this is still supported in 14. Link to Windows, what they added here is that you can connect to your laptop, Windows laptop, and you will have some additional features like watching photos or sharing some information and calls, messages, etc. I don't use it personally. Screencast, quick connect, print, nothing to review here. Wallpaper and style, so here you've got colors. Actually it's similar featured colors, and now you have wallpaper color. Actually just different color set that you can select. Quick settings setup, nothing changed here. Fingerprint animation also without changes. Edge and lightning same. What are the changes? Is always on display, so here you've got a bit more options. You have the new one, carbon footprints here, and you have 3 different type of footprint, and it will count the CO2 savings from your site, and also you can change the color of the text as well. Just a nice feature to have. I personally use this always on display right now with our globe. A personalized one, so you have some Bitmoji, you need to install it, some canvas, you can use your photo or some video. Let's keep it for now. Custom patterns that can be selected. Also, look at this, looks really nice. So you can create your own, paint something, shape it up to your preferences. Okay, I can draw a lot, but this one or random also fine. So quite nice pattern. Of course, similar option also available on iPhone for around 1 year, and now it's available on OnePlus as well. Text and image, emoji also I think need to download something. Text and image also need to have access. Okay, I will not do it right now. What I really don't understand why they, let's turn it on it for firstly, more display settings. So display mode you can schedule it, new notification can come for information, battery added here, date, time and notification. Actually all the options here, what you can have, and contextual info available, so music playback can be shown from supported apps. So you Spotify, it's supported, and smart suggestions on always on. So for example, food delivery or ride hailing also don't supported by many apps, but I hope it will be. Also you have some additional reminder, food delivery services on the two are supported right now. I hope in the future will be more. Alright, with always on is more or less fine. Icons, not much changes. It was I think same before. Font, wallpapers, themes. Let's open themes. Okay, just default theme. Okay, this thing is more or less same as before. Lock screens, lock home screen layout, available option, double tap to lock, icon autofill, it was all before, rise to wake, double tap. Show media player on a lock screen, so from the lock screen you can control your media player. Lock screen shortcuts can be selected as well, pocket mistouch, recent task manager, so you can display a RAM here or lock some apps. And apps cannot be locked in power saving mode. Alright, I'm in power saving mode now. Alright, sound vibration, so live caption is from Google. Vibration intensity can be selected, very convenient. Not before it was not that convenient, you just have several options. Now you can set it up to your preferences. Turn off media, do not disturb mode. I don't think there are changes. More sound, also just reorganized menu a bit. Dolby Atmos feature, spatial audio. Haptics also right now can be intensity selected with a very convenient slicer, and also how to touch feel you can also select it for different options and test it out here. Of course, feels quite nice, but let's not waste time on it right now. Volume button function, ringtone, media volume, and default device is available here right now, so you can use external device for recording whenever it's connected, or this device always uses device for recording. Also maybe for someone it will be a convenient feature, but it's quite limited. Notification status bar, so smart suggestion we already covered. Manage conversation, nothing special here. More settings, display data usage in notification drawer, bubbles, enhance notification, then you have replies, reduce notification feedback, so while you're watching videos, notification history, and at glance, so it's mainly from Google with some weather alerts, birthdays, etc. And recent. Okay, let's move on. Apps, I don't think there is something special, let's skip it. Security and privacy, account security could not check, so it's basically from Google. Safety and emergency, similar to Apple, what are they doing to uses trackers, emergency location service, etc. So I don't use it. Okay, location we skipped, right? For location, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth scanning. Actually, also no changes here. For battery, you have power savings mode here. Actually, without turn on at specific level, turned off, it's charged 90%. Super private power saving mode. Smart charging to slow down battery aging, always use it and suggest you to use to save your battery. Stop charging at 80, it's up to your preferences, I don't like this option. Reverse wireless charging, so you can charge devices, and this one was available before. Quiet charging for wireless charging available. More settings, so here we have optimized battery usage, sleep, standby optimization, high performance. So basically all this were available before, but in this version it was reorganized a bit. Special features, smart suggestions, Actually, this is new feature I already showed you. Split view was available before, flexible window, quick return button. Actually, I don't think it was available before, but it's supported. No supported apps. Alright, so useless. Quick launch, smart sidebar, kids mode, simple mode, Zen space, everything available before. For Zen space, it appears not that long time ago. Actually, it allows you, you can only receive the phone calls and messages on your phone, make some emergency calls, and you cannot operate some apps. So basically, you can concentrate on what you need for work, or just keep the working apps, for example, not to disturb you from your things that they are doing. Additional settings, so digital well-being and parental control with skip. Additional settings, so here I have quite plenty of the settings, and one-handed mode, power button, screenshot, screen recording. So you have the settings of all these features. You can select the definition here. For screenshot, you may have some option how to make the screenshot when deleted, so it's really customizable and really convenient. Even the location of screenshot can be selected left or right, which is, I think, is really good. Retouch appearance and video. So basically, I have one app that's supported, but I don't use it. OTG connection, developer options. I don't need it for now, so let's disable it. System services. Enhanced intelligence services is okay. This is actually used for this wise charging or for other AI options that are available on this phone. So I suggest you to keep this system services and do not turn it off. Alright, so user account I will not show you, of course. Actually, let's check out the top. These notifications actually come here. Now there is no notification. Control center is appearing here. You have different tiles that you can change. Actually, not much changes here. You just have two main tiles, which I personally set as Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can put Bluetooth or any others, up to your preferences as well. So actually here you have also how many gigabytes you used from your LTE data or 5G data. All the others are actually the same, but actually what is convenient when you click, for example, on Bluetooth and hold it, you go to the settings, which I really like, and Apple don't have it. Also, like Wi-Fi, you can have the settings here directly, and as the same with LTE, you don't need to go to the settings to select which SIM card you want to operate or which Wi-Fi you want to connect. It is also quite nice. From this launcher options, you have transition effects, layout, widgets, icons, and basically the main features are like this. Alright, so let me just show you what OnePlus also saying about their latest update, about device, Oxygen, and let's check what are they claiming about this version. Actually, what they're saying is that integrated the December Android security pass, and secondly, it's improved system stability and performance. Yeah, it works better, I guess, than previous one. This most important, extend battery life in some scenarios. Yeah, when I firstly updated the previous version of OxygenOS 14 that was based on Android 14, the battery drained really fast, and now actually this issue was closed and the battery life much improved on this version. Fixes issues that might cause some apps to crash, and the background stream features and smart sidebar has been removed. So actually also two fixes you've got here. Actually, I really recommend to update to this version. This version works well and it's really stable, because previous version was a bit less stable on OxygenOS 14. This one is really worst update right now, and I really recommend to do it in case you have previous one. You've got some new features, it will work more interesting, and your device will be just refreshed. So that's basically pretty much it. If you still have some question, put it in the comments below, put the thumbs up, and see you next time.